Okay, so today's question is the kth lexicographical string of all happy strings of length n. So given a happy string is a string that consists of only letters A, B and C, and S of I should not be equal to S of I plus 1, means no two alternate characters should be same. So given two integers n and k, consider a list of happy strings of length n sorted in lexicographical order. So return the kth string of the list or return an empty string if there are less than k happy strings of length n. So let's take example how many happy string can we form. So suppose there is three length happy string we have to form, and the characters are only a comma b comma a b and c. So if we use the combination here, so at the first place we can put all the three numbers, and at the next place we can only put 2 because the one which has already occupied at the first space can't be used on the second one, and similarly going on 2 into 2 and this way. So 2 into 2 into 2. So the formula lasts to 3 into 2 power n minus 1. This will give us the total number of happy strings of a particular length using the character only A, B and C. So let's calculate that. So total is equal to 3 into 2 power n minus 1. So now suppose the given k is greater than total, that means that happy string does not exist because of that particular length. Suppose we have only 12 one and k is saying that give us the 13th one, so that's not possible. So simply if k is greater than total, simply return empty string. If k is greater than total, simply you can return empty string. Now simply we can create a list for result to keep our answer here. We can set a previous character as empty string currently. Now simply go through the loop. We will try to set each value for a particular index. So for I in range n, and what are characters we can use. So for character in give a list, you can pass A, B and C. So suppose if our character is equal to previous one, so means we can't take this character and we can simply continue. Otherwise we can calculate how many more happy string can be created by using this as the starting. So remaining is equal to nothing but 2 power n minus I minus 1. This comes with the same, like suppose you are here on the first index, so how many more are left? So 2 places are more left, so it will take 2, it take 2, so total combination are 2 into 2 4. So that suits with the formula 2 into n minus 1. Here n is 3, then you can put 0 here, then 1, 3, so 2 power 2 is equal to 4. Okay, so remaining is equal to 2 into n minus I minus 1. And if suppose k is greater than remaining, that means this block, the answer does not exist in this block. So we can simply subtract, decrement the k count by the remaining. Okay, else what can be the case? Else we can our answer is in this block. We can simply append this character in our result list, result dot append character, and we can set the previous character is equal to this character, and we can simply break out of the loop. And finally we can join all the characters in the result and return it as the answer. So return dot join, and what we have to join this result. Now I think our code is completed. Let's try to run and check if this works. Okay, so we are getting some wrong answer. Let's try to debug what went the issue here. So let's see what the wrong answer we are getting. We are getting empty string, but we should get C here. So total we calculated that 3 into 2 power n minus 1. That seems correct. If k is greater than total, if k is greater than total, okay, so we got the issue here. Instead of power we have put the multiplication sign. We have missed one star here. Let's try to run. check. Yeah, so code has passed successfully. Test case has passed successfully. Let's try to submit and check if this works for all the test cases. Yeah, so our code has passed successfully. Thank you for watching.